Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of our trade-in 2013 Sea Ray 205 Sport. This boat is powered by a Mercury 5.0 MPI, 260 horsepower. We've just recently completed the annual engine service and the hours are 2:34. You do have a walk-through transom, storage under both seats on the bench seat, two helm seat, port seat with flip-up bolsters. Here at the helm, you got tilt wheel steering, digital depth gauge, built-in hour meter. Over here on port, you've got a built-in cooler and a stereo, Sony stereo with Bluetooth. Coming forward, you've got the full wraparound forward seating, JL audio speakers, did upgrade to the stainless steel grab handles and cup holders, and you have a forward anchor locker. This completes the walkthrough of the 2013 Sea Ray 205 Sport. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.